Reduction in stipend. Once the first caliph of the Prophet Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq, respectable wife Raziyallahu Anha, expressed the desire of eating halwa, that is a type of a sweet dish. He said that they did not have enough money to buy halwa. She suggested that she would save a little money from their daily expenditure so that they could buy halwa. He gave his consent for this. Therefore, she started saving money. After a few days, she gave the money to him for buying halwa. Instead of buying halwa, he deposited that money in Baitul Mal, that is the state of treasury, and said to the treasurer, "This money is in excess of our needs." He then got his monthly stipend reduced in proportion to that deposit money. Subhanallah. Dear Islamic brothers and sisters, by reading or listening to the above parable, we should also learn some lesson of piety and contentment rather than just expressing accolades and prizes. Particularly, government officers, the Imam of Masjid, the teachers of religious institute, the Muslims who are associated with various religious departments, and those in authority should all learn a lessons of contentment and self-respect. Avoiding greed and thus making the hereafter better, if only we would be content with earning little income and long for an abundance of good deeds. Instead of arguing for an increase in our salary just on the provocation of our nerves, comparing it with others' salaries, saying such sentence as "my salary is less and his is so high." Listen to one more parable about Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq's piety and his disinterest in worldly wealth. Sayyidina Imam Hassan Mujtaba Raziyallahu Anhu has narrated that at the time of his demise, Khalifatul Rasul Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu Anhu called his daughter Sayyidatuna Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Anha and said, "Listen, the she camel whose milk we drink, the ball in which we eat, and the shawl I wear have all been taken from Baitul Mal, that is the state of treasury. We can only use these things as long as I hold the office of the Caliphate of the Muslims. When I pass away, give all of these things to Sayyidina Umar Farooq Azam Raziyallahu Anhu." When Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu Anhu passed away, as per his will, all of these things were sent to Sayyidina Umar Farooq Azam Raziyallahu Anhu. When Sayyidina Umar Farooq Azam Raziyallahu Anhu came to know about it, he Raziyallahu Anhu said, "May Allah Azza wa Jal shower mercy upon Abu Bakr Raziyallahu Anhu. He has set a tough example for his successor." Ameen. Subhanallah.